Hello dear friends, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm going to share with you I'm shocked, I used clove water for 30 days and my hair grew. So clove has been an important part of Ayurveda and traditional medicine to cure various problems. Benefits of clove contains the levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to growth and strengthen your hair. So now at this point, I'm going to use macadamia oil just to have lubrication on my hands before, to remove the braids that I had put just to stretch my hair more. So before applying clove, I did all the treatments, pre-shampoo, detangling, deep conditioning, moisturizing and stretching our hair. Actually, I did videos on that. You can check those videos in the description box below. I'm going to check them out. So to my 745 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So on this channel, I do share classic lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin, how to DIY products, and I'm so passionate about natural hair that our God gave us. So in whatever matter or state your hair is, it is still beautiful. You need to love it, embrace it and style it. Yes, so give this video a like and comment in the section below, friends. Look at that, if you've been long on this channel, friends, our hair has drastically grown, friends. I'm excited and I'm happy. So I'll continue using Clove. I'm not going to stop. So actually I started using Clove 7 months ago, but I wanted to do 1 month of using Clove so that I can use it consistently, nearly every day, and our hair has grown and it has darkened. So Clove will also protect the scalp from dandruff, which is usually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. So with the presence of vitamin K, in clove, there's better circulation, which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flex, and relieves the itching associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. And it also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidants. So the compound, found in clove helps to promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. So clove has powerful antiseptic and fungal properties that can help get your hair fuller and keep on growing, friends. I'm happy, friends, and I thank God because, without God, nothing can happen. So whatever I do, I involve God, no matter how small. Yes, so now I'm going to share with you how I make clove. So I've done quite a number of videos on clove. I'm going to link them in the description box below, and the 2 ways of how to make clove. So in this video, we are going to use cold pressed. So you can use any method that you have, but I love cold pressed. But if you are in a hurry, you can use hot water. So I'm going to measure 50 grams of our clove, like so. Yes, of course, I'm just eyeballing, but it is actually 50 grams. Yes. So you can actually purchase clove in Indian shops and beauty supply stores, or in shops where they put, you know, er- um, herbs and spices. You'll be able to allocate clove. So now I've gotten a beaker and I've put our clove into our mason jar. So I've also added 100 grams of our cold water, just cold water, not very cold, but just cold water. Yes, so you can use distilled water or you can use tap water, whatever is your preference. So I'm going to leave it in for 7 days. You can even do 3 days. So it's been actually 7 days. Look at that. It has actually infused so well, and the color has changed, meaning that it has infused so well. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and comment in the section below. Share this video to friends, in groups where you think they can benefit. So friends, clove has really worked well, friends. I'm telling you, it has gotten our hair thicker, our hair has grown, and I'm so happy. Yes. So now I'm going to transfer our clove into our spray bottle. This is actually a very good way to use clove, using a spray bottle. So I did pour in a lot, so that some of its peel. Yes. So at this point, you can actually customize it. If you are not a fan of clove, you can add any essential oil, your favorite essential oil like lavender, peppermint, bergamot, a lot of them. So of course, at first I had a challenge with the smell, but now I'm used to the smell. I don't have a problem with it. Yes, so now it's ready and you can actually preserve it. Yes, but if you don't have a preservative, you can store it in the fridge and it can last for 1 week, even more than 1 week, friends. But I usually preserve all my products because I don't want to waste anything. I don't want to waste any penny. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like and comment in the section below, friends. So at this point, I'm going to use our clove. So make sure that you spray it on the scalp, on your hair strands, on your edges. But in this video, like I don't want my hair to shrink, and so I'm just going to spray it on the length of our hair because these feel like dry, and then I'm going to go in with macadamia oil. So like some naturals have said that whenever they use clove, it leaves their hair dry. So make sure that you follow up with any preference of your oil. Yes, so the main component actually in clove is eugenol. So eugenol promotes hair growth. When applied to the scalp, the compound contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial, for your scalp. And eugenol also has certain androgenic, properties that can slow down the effects of androgens on your hair follicles, boosting hair growth in people suffering with androgenic alopecia. So eugenol also promotes blood flow to the scalp, increases nutrient supply to the scalp, and it also adds shine. So if you want a natural shine, make sure that you use clove. So actually clove is a natural conditioner and it helps to lock in moisture in the hair that can be used as an effective treatment for dull or dry hair. And clove also reduces split ends and frizz, giving you shiny and lustrous hair. Clove is also good for premature graying of hair. So clove can prevent this condition also because it's high in eugenol content and has antioxidant properties that can protect your hair shafts and follicles from oxidation damage. It also increases, pigment levels that soothes hair its natural hue. So clove will also prevent or keep hair loss. Environmental pollutants, generally like poor diet and hair containing harsh chemicals all contribute to hair loss. So clove will prevent excessive hair loss. It will also strengthen your hair shafts and it promotes hair growth of hair. So comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried clove. So I'm spraying it on my edges. So it is also good if you have thinning edges or if you have alopecia or maybe your hair is you have a receding hairline. Clove works wonders, friends. So it will promote hair growth and make sure that you are consistent, friends, using a clove. Yes, it's not something that we can do like just for a few days and then you see growth. It takes patience and it takes, a lot of consistency. So like our hair at this point, the ends of our hair is so moisturized. I'm happy. I'll continue using clove in my regimen. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.